Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be trying to troubleshoot this Lemax ghostly Manor quick. I got this piece just today and unfortunately when it arrived the motor is stalled. If you see, the ghost inside should be spinning and it's not. And if I were to put the ghosts on the back, they would be stalled too. So, I'm going to unplug the power quick. I'm going to try and break this thing open nicely. Not break it, but I'm going to be using a heat gun. This is just a small heat gun. And we're going to try and open this top seam. From what I can tell, it seems like the motor mechanism is up here. And the mat on the bottom will be even harder to take off, so we'll try this method first. Lemax usually uses hot glue or some sort of heat-sensitive resin. And with this piece, you want to make sure you're careful because I can tell this seems like it might be plastic. So if you heat it up too hot, you'll melt it. And I'm pretty sure the ghosts are plastic too, or some sort of silicone maybe. So probably don't want to get too close to them. See if that's done anything. There we go. So that worked. And now we just want to be careful because there's wires inside and we don't want to break them. We're gonna just survey this. There's something that broke inside. It seems like a piece of porcelain. I'm not sure what this is from, but this is part of the issue. And now we're gonna see if we can troubleshoot. I don't know exactly how they have the motor hooked up or why it could have stalled out. Oh, that worked. That's surprising. So it's working now. Yeah, so it looks like they just sort of put a few dabs of hot glue on the corners. So if you try and take this building apart to get to the top half, just do what I just did with the heat gun carefully, and you should be able to get that open. If you're trying to get to something in the bottom, if something down here broke, then you need to go with the route of removing the mat. And for that, you would need to use probably a letter opener or a butter knife. And then you can slowly peel that away. You can also try and do some rubbing alcohol. Really, I have not found an easy winner method. You could also try heat gunning it, but heat gun usually melts the mat if you're not careful. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. As for my end, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this back together after I just double check everything, but that seems to have solved our issue. So thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on our channel.